If you've searched for VirtualStaff.ph online, you may have seen descriptions calling it a job board, hiring platform, or freelancer marketplace. Here's the problem. That information is outdated. When VirtualStaff.ph launched in 2016, it operated as a DIY hiring platform. Businesses could browse profiles, contact candidates, negotiate salaries, and manage the hiring process themselves. But as we worked with thousands of businesses, we learned something important. The challenge wasn't finding workers, the challenge was building reliable offshore teams. Business owners wanted continuity, accountability, support, and staff who could become a real part of their company, not another platform where they had to manage everything themselves. That's why VirtualStaff.ph evolved. Today, VirtualStaff.ph is a structured offshore staffing company. We provide dedicated full-time staff in the Philippines who integrate directly into business operations. You manage the workday just like you would with your local employees. VirtualStaff.ph handles everything around the staffing structure. So if you see old descriptions online, remember, they're talking about the company we used to be, not the company we are today. So if you need more staff, but hiring locally no longer makes financial sense, VirtualStaff.ph gives you a structured way to add dedicated offshore staff who work inside your business like local employees with a far more practical cost structure. Staff that plug into your business.